Good day everyone. Today is April 26, 2026 and we are here at Poblacion Zone 1, Dinalungan, Aurora for the final day of the Diget Sayahan Festival 2026. After several days of celebration, performances and community activities, we have finally reached the grand finale and you can really feel the excitement all around. Pagdating pa lang namin dito, ramdaman agad ang saya. The place is full of energy with people coming from different barangays, all gathered here to celebrate as one community. Makikita mo ang mga ngiti sa bawat isa. Talagang buhay na buhay ang festival ngayon. Everywhere you look, there are colorful decorations that represent the culture and identity of Dinalungan. It's not just for display, it reflects tradition, creativity, and pride. Talagang makikita mo kung gaano kahalaga ang Diget Sayahan Festival sa mga tao dito. For today's main highlight, ang pinakaaabangang event, the Bangkarera. This traditional boat race is one of the most exciting parts of the festival. Hindi lang ito simpleng paligsahan, it also represents the strong connection of the community to the sea and their way of life. Bangkarera is not just a race, simbolo ito ng lakas, tiyaga at tradisyon ng mga taga-Dinalungan. It reflects their daily life, their skills, and their deep connection to the sea. Before I end this vlog, flex ko lang itong mga batang to na lumapit sa akin kanina para magpa-picture. Super nakakatuwa and nakaka-heartwarming lang. Thank you sa inyo, you made my day. And also, shout out to Miss Shy Vlog, ATV Vlogs. They are also a content creator from Dinalungan, Aurora. Shout out na rin sa mga kasamahan nyo. Valerie, picture tayo. Sige na. Ayaw mo lang alayuan yan si kuya eh. Sige na, picture na tayo. Sige na. Ate Valerie. Ate, mag-hi ka na lang sa vlog ko. Mag-hi ka sa vlog ko.